Hello dears, we are studying strength of material and our today's topic is elastoplastic material. What is elastoplastic material? It indicates the material which gives both type of behavior. That is first give elastic behavior and after that it gives plastic behavior. Then it is called elastoplastic material. The material which gives elastic behavior at a certain point. Elastic behavior means when apply force on a material, then material deform. After that, when removing the force, then material regain our shape and size. So this one is called elastic behavior of material. The material which gives elastic behavior at a certain point, that is completely regain our shape and size after removing external force. After that it gives the plastic behavior, and plastic behavior means the material which do not regain our shape and size after removing external force or load is called plastic behavior, and that type of material is called elastoplastic material. The material which gives elastic behavior at a certain point, that is completely regain our shape and size after removing external force. After that it gives plastic behavior, that is do not regain our shape and size after removing external force. So this one is called elastoplastic material. Now this graph will be like this. It is a stress strain diagram. So first give elastic behavior. It means it curve will be a straight line along elastic behavior, and this is the elastic limit up to which material gives elastic behavior. After that the material gives plastic behavior. So this one is the curve for plastic behavior after the elastic limit, and this region is called elastic behavior. After that the elastic point, the both line will the plastic behavior of material or plastic deformation. This one is the plastic deformation. So a stress strain diagram for elastoplastic material will be like this. First give elastic behavior, that is a straight line, and after that the elastic limit, this point, the material shows the plastic behavior. Here elastic limit. So what is elastic limit? Elastic limit is a point up to which material shows elastic behavior. It is a point up to which material shows elastic behavior. This is elastic limit, and after the point of elastic limit it gives plastic behavior, and in case of plastic behavior the resisting force of material is less than the applied force. That is why it gives plastic behavior. After elastic limit, resisting force of a material is less than the applied force, and it's do not regain our shape and size after removing external force or applied force. So these are all about of elastoplastic material, and today's topic is over. Thanks for watching.